Ever wished you could answer calls using your own phone number with the power of AI? Well, with Retell AI, you totally can. Today, we'll walk through setting up your own phone number to receive calls directly through the platform, perfect for business or personal use. First, jump into your Retell AI dashboard using your web browser. You should see the main dashboard, which is the brains of the operation. On the left side of the dashboard, navigate to the Numbers section or a similar settings menu. You should be able to see the option to add a phone number. Click on it to continue. Once selected, you will see a series of options to choose from. Retell AI typically integrates with Twilio and offers other solutions, each with its unique setup process. Choose the connection method you are most comfortable with, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your existing phone number. Usually, this involves verifying your phone number. You will receive a verification prompt with a security code to ensure you're in control of your number. This code will need to be entered in the appropriate field in the Retell AI interface. After successful verification, your number will be ready. You will be able to customize call routing rules, create AI conversation flows, or configure how incoming calls get handled. To start receiving calls, ensure that your chosen number is active within Retell AI, and that any necessary call forwarding settings are correctly configured. And that's it. You're now all set to receive calls directly through Retell AI using your own number. Dive in and start customizing your call experience. Thanks for watching.